Hi. How are you? I'm Sil, and this is Slow, Easy English. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me on another video. So today I'm going to talk about the difference between very, really, and literally. And the reason I thought of doing this video is because someone asked in a comment a few days ago, what's the difference between I love your videos, I really love your videos, and I literally love your videos? And of course I figured maybe very, I can throw very in there with the others because, well, I think it's relevant, and you'll see why. Let's begin with the basic, I love your videos. Well, if you love my videos, thank you, I appreciate that. Click the like button, subscribe. Prove your love to me. So, okay, first of all, if someone says, I love your videos, well, it means that. It means they like your videos very, very, very much. See, very. So, very, right? Very big, very happy, very nice. It's called an intensifier, right? So it makes the next word, if it's an adjective, it emphasizes that word and makes it more, feel bigger. It's very old. It's not only old, it's very old, right? It's very big. So that's how you use very. And the word really is pretty much the same. It's just another way of saying very. It's really big. It's, it's really hot, right? That's it. It's also an intensifier, and it makes that adjective feel, sound bigger and more intense. They're not used exactly the same way in every situation, right? So I can say very big, really big, same meaning. But you can't say really much, right? You can say very much. I love your videos very much. You cannot say I love your videos really much. But you can say I really love your videos. So when you use really with a verb, right? I really love your videos. That's okay. Now, that third word, literally, that's the interesting one, because literally is misunderstood by many, many native speakers recently. And well, I don't know, maybe it's not so recent, but it seems to have spread more recently, perhaps last few years. And you see it, actually I made a video about that because it's so common. And so a lot of people use literally the wrong way. When you use the word literally, it means as it's written, with the meaning it's written. So for example, in English, when something is really, really, really funny, we can say, I laughed my head off. Now, of course, your head is still attached. Even if something is very, very funny, your head is not actually falling off. But some people say, I literally laughed my head off. So, no, you didn't. No, you didn't literally laugh your head off, because your head is literally still on your body. So, if you literally laugh your head off, the head is no longer part of your body. That would hurt, and you wouldn't be laughing after that, would you? Like I said, check out my other video. You'll get a really good explanation there. I don't know, like, I've always been curious, what do people think literally means? And, I mean, if they're using it in that way, what do they think it means? If they are not using it the way, with the real definition of literally, what it actually means. If you literally love my videos, I'm not sure what you want to marry my videos? I mean, that's the only way that the word literally could make a little bit of sense here. Maybe they think it's an intensifier, the same way that very or really is. I'm not sure. So that's it, yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, if you really liked it, if you literally liked it, please click the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And please, if you know other language learners, English learners, share. Sharing is caring. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.